People who inherit the genetic mutation have a high, but it is important to remember that not all people with the genetic mutation will develop MND. Clinical features of MND: weakness in their hands and grip, disturbance of speech and swallowing, weakness in their legs and a tendency to trip, weakness of their shoulder, making lifting difficult, cramps and muscle twitching.
পরবর্তী প্রেজেন্টেশনে আমাদের ডক্টর আব্দুল আলীমকে তার প্রেজেন্টেশন উপস্থাপন শুরু করার জন্য অনুরোধ করছি। ধন্যবাদ।
From Orthodontology by acupuncture treatment, presented by Dr. M.D. Abdul Alim, intern doctor, Department of